Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So this is going to be a quick unboxing of my new Honor AS. This is a budget device selling at Argos currently for £99. So let's see what it says on the box. Honor AS, 32GB internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM in blue. So yeah, I'm just going to cut this seal with my knife and take out the device. So this is just a quick unboxing to show you what comes in the box. Okay, so this is the device here, and we have this little package in here with the quick start guide, warranty card, and also the SIM ejector tool. We have the UK charger here, 3-pin UK charger, and USB cable. So this is USB Type 2.0, and there's nothing else in the box. That's it. Okay, so let's take out the phone. Okay, so we have the Honor branding there, front facing camera, got a camera there on the back with flash. So it's a 13 megapixel camera there on the back with flash, and we have the Honor branding here on the back. This is in blue. So yeah, that's all that comes in the box. So this is the Honor AS. This is just my quick unboxing video. I'll be doing a few more videos on this device, so stay tuned. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share the video as well. Let me know in the comment section if you already have this device or if you're planning on getting it. Like I says, it's a cheap Android device, a budget device, £99 from Argos UK. Anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.